Hello friends, welcome to my video. In today's video I'm going to show you a website. The name of the website is Marker.to, and this is a yellow highlighter pen for web pages. You can highlight text or web pages with a mouse, point out important information, share the highlighted page with the others in Twitter, Facebook, and with special link. And here you can install the app also, and you can see other features you get in this app. Is a simple annotation tool, and you can see this is how you will highlight important things in web pages. And here you can see what offers say about us, what others say about us. You can read all this, and here you can see likes, and you can also see their website on Twitter. And here, if you want to read more about them, you can read more, and you can read all this about them. So it's a great website. Don't forget to check out this website and have a great day.